Yo, what's up, fam? It's y'all boy Joseph, Dream Interpreter, favorite son, Coat Game, STR on. But today, we're in survival mode.
What if I told you there's a booming new trend, Bible influencer AI videos, and it's already making creators a fortune?
Hey everyone, Daniel here.
It's Maria.
Today I'm delivering bread and cheese to my brothers.
Okay guys, quick update. I'm the reason for the storm.
You just saw it. These hyper-realistic, engaging scenes are going viral right now. Take a look at this TikTok channel, HolyVlogs, with just 6 videos. They're already pulling in millions of views and earning through the TikTok creativity program. They're even selling a course teaching people how to make these types of videos. But here's the good news. You're about to learn how to do all of this in 3 easy steps for free, right here in this video. And to prove it, here's a quick sneak peek. I'll paste a simple prompt, and in minutes, you'll see a unique Bible influencer scene generated live.
So I'm working in Potiphar's house, right? Big-time Egyptian official. Man gave me the keys to everything.
Mind-blowing, right? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these captivating, high-quality videos using Google VO3, completely free. We're talking text-to-video magic without spending a dime. And stick around, because I'll even reveal how to keep using it free for the next 5 months. If you are ready for this, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Step 1. Get Google VO3 for free. First things first, access. Google is currently offering a golden ticket to VO3. Head to the Gemini link in the pinned comment. You'll see an offer for Google AI Pro, 1 month free. Click Get Started, accept the terms, and enter your card details. Don't stress, you won't be charged for the first month, and you can cancel anytime. Once subscribed, you'll unlock VO3 for text-to-video generation inside Gemini. You might have heard about Flow AI offering VO3 access too, but for this specific Bible influencer strategy, we'll keep it simple and stick with Gemini. Step 2. Crafting your viral script. Now that you've got VO3 access, here's how to craft viral Bible influencer scripts and powerful prompts to generate them. This is where my custom prompts come in. I spent hours refining these. They're your shortcut to success. First, for the engaging social media script, open ChatGPT. Go to my Discord server, link in the description, and grab the Google Doc from the hashtag prompts channel. Copy the script generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. All you need to do is specify your biblical character. Let's say Joseph. And the core event, him in Potiphar's house. Hit send. Here's what I got.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's y'all boy Joseph, Dream Interpreter, favorite son, Coat Game, STR on. But today, we're in survival mode.
That's the vibe. Fresh, modern, and instantly engaging. Now it's your turn. What Bible influencer did you try out? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear your script ideas. Now, let's turn that script into video prompts. Copy the prompt labeled Bible Influencer AI Prompts. Paste it into ChatGPT. Insert your generated Bible script where prompted, and hit send. In seconds, you'll receive 7 to 8 highly detailed VO prompts, each built for consistent character design and scene flow. These aren't basic prompts. I crafted and refined them over dozens of hours, and they're yours, free. If this saved you time, smash that like button and subscribe so I can keep sharing game-changing tools like this. Step 3. Creating your Bible influencer AI video. Now the fun part, creation. Copy the first VO3 prompt you generated. Go to Gemini, switch to video mode, paste the prompt, and hit send. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for your video to generate. Here's the first one.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's y'all boy Joseph, Dream Interpreter, favorite son, Coat Game, STR on. But today, we're in survival mode.
Looks awesome, though that last frame is off. Let me regenerate.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's y'all boy Joseph, Dream Interpreter, favorite son, Coat Game, STR on. But today, we're in survival mode.
Okay, I like this one better. Repeat this for all 7 to 8 prompts. Now, you might notice VO3 limits you after around 7 to 10 generations per account. But here's the workaround. Wait 2 days for the limit to reset or use a second Google account with the same free trial method. So with 2 Google accounts, you can generate 14 or more videos. Once all your clips are ready, head over to CapCut. No complex editing needed. Just add all your scenes sequentially. If you want, you can add some subtle background music to match the scenes. For instance, adding a suspense music to this part of the video,
Grab my cloak just now, like, come lay with me. Man.
or a simple fade transition, but the beauty of these AI-generated clips is their instant impact. Once combined, export your masterpiece.
Yo, what's up, fam? It's y'all boy Joseph, Dream Interpreter, favorite son, Coat Game, STR on. But today, we're in survival mode.
So I'm working in Potiphar's house, right? Big time Egyptian official. Man gave me the keys to everything.
She literally grabbed my cloak just now, like, come lay with me. Ma'am?
Drop a comment if you've ever been falsely accused, and pray for ya boy, I might be headed to jail. Again, the heck!
And there you have it. A high-quality, emotionally gripping Bible influencer AI video made completely free using Google VO3 and my secret prompts. If you found this helpful, like the video. Comment below, what character did you use? How did your scenes turn out? Subscribe to Money Mastery Hub for more viral content tools, income tips, and creator strategies. Until then, keep building your empire, money masterminds.